So today we're going to talk about loading Maximo demo data in a already configured instance of Maximo. The first thing we need to do is stop the MX server. We'll need to open the WebSphere console and we'll log in. We'll open our server and server types. We'll find our application server. And depending on how many you have, just stop them all. Go ahead and click OK on these. It's going to show us the status. We'll wait for this server to stop. There we go. So now that we have the server stopped, we can go ahead and log out of WebSphere. And we'll move on to the next step, which is to run the maxinst command. To do that, we will need to open a command prompt, and the maxinst.bat file is in the Maximo Tools Maximo directory. So we'll navigate there. Once there, we'll find our maxinst.bat command. We'll put in our necessary tags. The S is where the Maximo indexes are stored. The T is where the Maximo tables are stored. When we run that, it'll tell us, hey, we're going to drop everything and rebuild it. Just click enter. It's going to go read the properties file, and it's going to begin with its transactions. We'll come back to that. Let's make sure it's still running. If it has to do any updates, as far as configure DBs or update DBs, it'll go ahead and run those as well. Depending on the speed or the size of the database that it's cleaning up, it'll take longer or shorter. So once it's done, we can make sure we see that successful message, and we'll go ahead and exit and move on to the last step, which is to start WebSphere back up. We'll log back into our management console. Navigate down to our server, same place where we stopped it earlier, and we'll just tick our server and click start. And once it starts, we'll be able to open another window and log into Maximo. The first test will be to use Wilson. He is a demo user. If you can't get in, then obviously something went wrong. But in our example here, we were able to log in as Wilson. And just to check other tables, you can check the organization. I'm just going to click on users here. So we can see the list of the demo users. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative, and thanks for watching.